live in Virginia. We have 2 boys, Carson and Chance, and they are 9 and 7. So both of my boys, for various reasons, were diagnosed with eosinophilic esophagitis when they were 18 months old. After Carson was born, we noticed pretty quickly that he had some food allergies. He had a lot of eczema. His weight was always on the very, very low end. That whole first year was extremely stressful.
Every time you go to the doctor, you see him dropping a little bit on the chart, and you wonder, when's it going to turn around?
He was literally eating just a handful of foods at the time. We met with a gastroenterologist, and she said, remove them all and put him on Neocate only. That was when he was 18 months old, and he's been on it ever since.
Once he did start on that, you saw him playing more, you saw him running around more, crawling more, and being a true toddler.
And we got pregnant with Chance, and he has
The same thing.
the same thing.
Because we knew what Carson had, Chance didn't have to go through all that before we decided to get him looked at.
On Neocate, everything has changed. They're vibrant, they're growing. That makes me feel proud, like they're so healthy, active, that you wouldn't be able to pick them out of a crowd.
My name is Chance, and my favorite activity to do is maybe baseball.
My name is Carson. What my favorite activity is soccer. It's just fun to play with other people and stuff.
I have a lot of parents that tell me like, oh, but how do they get energy, like with their food? And I'm like, they're just as energetic. Carson got a silver medal in a sparring tournament. And that other kid's eating food. They went head to head to the last match. When each of them turned about 4 or 5 and they were more active, we switched to the Neocate Splash just because it was more easy to carry.
I think one of the best things is they've made the Neocate Splash look like a regular kid's juice box. They don't feel different than other kids.
We've taken it everywhere.
It's enabled them to have the energy. They'll go hiking. They keep up with us. They're running sports. It allows us to do things that at one point we never even dreamed that they would be able to do.
Neocate is literally giving them 100% of what they are supposed to have.
And they are growing, they're getting taller, they're getting bigger, active in 5 or 6 different sports. Talking to another parent going through this, what we went through years ago, I wouldn't hesitate to use a Neocate product.